Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update BigCommerce catalog rules for consistent SKUs. To update BigCommerce catalog rules for consistent SKUs, begin by logging into your BigCommerce admin panel. Navigate to the Products section on the left-hand menu. Click on Product Rules to access your existing catalog rules. Here, you will see a list of your current product rules. Identify the rule you want to update for consistent SKUs. Click on the rule name to open its details page. Review the conditions set within that rule. Make any necessary adjustments to the criteria to ensure consistency. Next, focus on the SKU formatting options. Ensure that your SKU rules align with your inventory system's requirements. If needed, update the SKU prefix or suffix to maintain uniformity. After making changes, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click on the Save button to apply your updates. You can also add a new rule by clicking on the Add a Rule button if needed. Follow the prompts to configure your new catalog rule. Make sure to define the criteria clearly for accurate SKU assignment. Once all rules are updated or created, return to the Products section. Inspect a few random products to verify the SKUs reflect the new rules. Review your inventory system to confirm everything syncs correctly. Finally, monitor your catalog regularly for any necessary adjustments moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.